Alright, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I want to make a video to show you how you can research your niches for your print-on-demand business, okay? And so the first thing that you can use is, here I'm using Flying Upload, but you can find tools that tells you which best-selling designs are currently right now on Amazon Merch, okay? And so basically right now, this is the best-selling designs on Amazon. And as you can see, there are many designs related to Halloween. So that's a niche that you can probably go into right now. But as of right now, it's probably a bit late to go into this niche, but you get the idea, okay? And so that's the first thing that you can do. And then another thing that you can do is use Productor for Amazon Merch, okay? And Productor with Amazon Merch, the cool thing about it is that they're the Google Trends here daily and real time, and you can search through these information to find niches, okay? And so basically right now I see a lot of things about football and the NFL, and you have to be very careful with these things because anything related to NFL and the NFL teams and the NFL football teams or whatever, you cannot use this as a niche. You can use the niche of football, but you cannot use the niche of the football teams themselves because this is trademarked and all these things, okay? But one thing that you could do here, as you can see, is make designs about the niche, the football niche, okay? And so that's something that you can look into. And this is the US, but you can also check the GB, the DE. There's a bunch of things. Also, another thing that you can use is Google Trends, okay? And so Google Trends basically tells you what people are searching right now, okay? And so you can go in trending now, and let's see here, okay? And so there are a bunch of things. This is not really, let's go into Explore. Okay, this is the past year. Okay, so basically this is the past year. AI chatbot, this is a huge topic. So you could make designs about the artificial intelligence niche. Okay, also another niche that is trending right now, I think, is the soccer cup that is coming up soon. So again, don't make designs about the FIFA and the FIFA teams, but you can make designs about the soccer sport itself, okay? Not about the teams, but about the soccer niche, okay? So for example, let's take this niche about the soccer World Cup, okay? So what you can do using AI is you can use ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT, and I have a little sentence here that I use for my designs, and this is basically give me 10 very short phrases and puns about. Now this is the niche, and so right now I would use the niche soccer, for example, okay? So give me 10 very short phrases and puns about soccer, and here I specify very short because artificial intelligence, as of right now, you can use some text, but it's kind of difficult, and so the longer the pun and the joke is, the harder it is for the artificial intelligence to create the designs. And so that's why I specify very short, because I want the artificial intelligence to make the design properly, okay? Okay, so I don't know why, but the first time it didn't understand very short, but as of right now, I did it the second time, and now it's way more shorter, okay? And so here are some designs idea that you can use for your designs, okay? And so for example, here I'm gonna take soccer is my goal in life, okay? So I'm gonna take this text as a design, and so the next thing that you should do right now is to make sure that this little phrase is not trademark, okay? because if it's trademark, you're gonna get rejected. Okay, so basically here you can use Flying Upload, but there are also other tools that you can use that are free. I'm using Flying Upload because I have a paid subscription with Flying Upload, and it's basically a full professional bundle with print on demand, and I just enjoy flying research, flying upload, and basically you just put the phrase inside here, and as you can see right now, it doesn't, like, there are no copyrights for this little phrase here, so I can use it for my print on demand designs. Okay, and so the next thing that you can do is you can create the designs using artificial intelligence. Okay, and so as of right now, as I'm recording this, I think there are probably 2 or 3 image generator that can do text design. And so basically it's daily 3 that you can use with ChatGPT, and you have to have a subscription to use daily 3 with ChatGPT. And the cool thing about ChatGPT here is that you have the commercial use to use them. There's also Bing image generator that you can use here, but that uses daily 3. But the problem with Bing is that you don't have the commercial use. So I would not recommend using Bing, but it has daily 3 that supports image text. And also another service that you can use that is also free and that should have the commercial use is ideogram. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is going to select ChatGPT 4 with daily 3, and for my designs, I try to keep them simple because I don't want my designs to be too complex, and if there are some errors or whatever, I want to be able to change it and make it to my liking so that it has no mistakes or typos, or because the more complex it is, the more complex it is for the AI to generate the designs. And then if there are some mistakes or maybe some typos, you have to change it, and you have to change them manually. So that's why I try to keep them simple. And so basically the command that I'm using here is I simply do a simple vector designs about my niche. In my case, it's going to be soccer, and a white background saying, and now I'm going to use my little phrase here. And so basically my sentence would be a simple vector designs about soccer and a white background saying soccer is my goal in life. And then I would simply launch this, and I could do it in ChatGPT, and I also can do it in ideogram. I'm just gonna wait for it to generate some images. Okay, so as you can see right now, the AI generated some images that I can use for my print-on-demand business. And the first thing that you can notice is that, the texts are not perfect. And that's why I like to have very short phrases and very short text, because the longer it is, the longer the text is, the harder it's going to be for the AI to generate the image. Okay, and here I have a bunch of images as well, but I think usually I prefer ChatGPT with daily 3 for my designs. Okay, so soccer is my goal in life. As you can see here, it's missing the E at the end. So I could try to do it manually. I could copy paste the E from soccer and put it in goal in life and add it to the end here. So that's something that I could do. And then soccer is my goal in life. Okay, you see this one is pretty good. And the only mistake in this design, I think, is the duplicate of the word in here. Okay, and so basically here I know that it's very easy to modify, so that's something that I could do. Soccer is, okay, there are 3 C's here, it's missing an S, so I could copy paste this S here and basically add it to this word here. So that's something that I could do, but I think I'm gonna go with this design as an example. Okay, so let's just download this. And so basically here I'm getting a PNG file. Okay, That's a PNG file. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna transform it, again using AI, I'm gonna transform it into an SVG, okay? And SVG are really cool because basically SVGs are vector files. And when you have vector files, the cool thing about it is that you can easily resize it without dealing with pixels. And so you can basically resize it indefinitely very easily, okay? And so here, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna download this. And then I'm gonna use a vector editor. In this case, I'm gonna use Figma because this is basically a free tool. So I'm just gonna drag the design, this VG. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to resize it to make it a little bit bigger so that it fits my Canva. So there it is. Okay, and so then what I'm gonna do is simply remove the background as okay, and so I'm gonna remove a bunch of things right now. I'm gonna remove the duplicate word here. So that's okay. Now I'm simply going to move the word life a little bit over there, just like that, and then I'm gonna select it and make it a little bit bigger so that it fits the bottom. I'm gonna remove this stuff at the bottom. I don't really like it, so I'm just gonna remove it. And so there you go. Right now, you would have a pretty cool designs for your print-on-demand business, and what you can do now is simply export it into your computer, and it would be ready to upload on some platform, okay? I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any questions, okay? Peace.